Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock car CEO, reporting to you from a green stock market. I looked at the jobs report that pushed the indices and a few employment services stocks higher. I also researched why Smith & Wesson brand stock fell after the FBI reported a lower number of background checks. By the way, folks, I'm recording today's episode from a different location and there might be an echo in the voice. You may have noticed it yesterday too. I'll be back to my studio next week, so thanks for listening to this slightly echoed episode. The markets closed in the green today with the S&P 500 index adding one more day to its 7-day winning streak. The Bureau of Labor Statistics released June's jobs report today, and the results were pleasing to investors. Non-farm payrolls increased by 850,000 jobs last month, bringing more optimism to the market. Investors responded accordingly, with all three indices showing good movement on Friday. Before we continue, it's time to give a big shout out to all of you stock guardians. Thank you for watching, reading, listening to these daily market recap reports every day. Our mission, as you know, is to make investment research painless for you. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the show, or create a free account on stockhard.io to get the daily market recap reports in your inbox. After reading the jobs report this morning, I decided to look at the staffing and employment services list of stocks on StockCard. You can search for a staffing and employment services list of stocks in the search bar. Many companies are still scrambling for workers, though employment is steadily rising. This situation creates an excellent growth opportunity for staffing agencies and employment platforms. Among the biggest winners today, I noticed Staffing 360 Solutions, ticker STAF, staff. Its share price rose roughly 30% by market close. The company has been struggling with debt in the past and announced a 6-to-1 reverse stock split last month to keep its share price above $1, a Nasdaq requirement to stay listed on the exchange. It was also forgiven for a $10 million PPP loan debt, which adds to the 55% debt reduction the company has achieved in the past year. With the demand for employment services on the rise, the company may grow rapidly and could be a good one to add to our watch lists. Another beneficiary of the jobs market situation is ZipRecruiter, ticker ZIP, Zip. The company went public in May at around $21 per share, and it's now hovering near $26. An earnings report in May showed a 5% increase in revenue since last year's same quarter. While 5% growth in revenue is not as high as many other recent IPOs, as employers scramble to hire more employees, ZipRecruiter may grow much faster than before. This is a good stock for our watch list. In an unexpected turn, demand for guns appeared to slow in June. Today, the FBI released data showing that background checks were down 22% last month. Background checks are a good indicator of demand for guns because they are prerequisites to purchase. The demand has been higher the first 3 months this year than any months in 2020, but it is slowly dropping. It may mean panic and fear are subsiding in society and people are starting to feel normal again. That's most likely why we see shares of Smith & Wesson brand, ticker SWBI, taking a hit after reaching an all-time high this year due to gun and ammo shortages. It seems the demand has peaked and is now going back to normal. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give StockCard a try, research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the Stock Picks page on a StockCard platform. We've been adding quite a few successful investors to the Stock Picks page, so you have to visit that page the next time you log in. And don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHRCEO, all lowercase and in one word. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these market recap reports with your fellow investors. And come back next week for another episode of the market recap reports. See you then.